Hey guys, today I'm going to make a cheeseburger, so let's get toasting. I'm going to use my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this, but you could probably just use your baking tray as well. So my pan is lightly oiled there. I have some fresh 92% lean, 8% fat ground beef patties here. I think these were about $8. And these are fresh, but I've done this with frozen ones too. If you use frozen patties, it just takes a little bit longer to cook. So we'll get the burger into the pan there. And I'm going to season it with some Johnny's seasoned pepper. My old standby. Use this on almost everything. And a little bit of kosher salt. Okay, that looks good. And then have one of these Artesano bakery buns. So I'm just going to put this in the pan alongside it as well and let that brown up. Now we'll get that into the toaster oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll keep an eye on that, and the bread will probably be toasted before the burger's done. It's been about 5 minutes. I think that bun's done, so I'm going to pull that out of there. And then the burger's not done yet, so I'll get that back in there. It's been about 9 minutes, so let's see how the burger looks here. I think that looks about done. I have a piece of Colby Jack cheese here. I'll put that on and just let that melt real quick. Okay, that looks good. I'm getting my bun ready here. I put ketchup and mustard on that side. Thousand Island dressing on the top. I have a nice pickle slice there. And I don't have any lettuce and tomatoes, so we'll just go with that. We'll see if my burger comes out of the pan okay. Oh yeah, perfect. Get that on there. And get the top on. There we go. It looks good to me. Let's try a bite.
It's good, really juicy.
I guess Annie wants to try it. You want to try some cheeseburger, Annie? There you go. That worked out real good. It took about 10 minutes to cook. Didn't have to turn it over. It was nice and juicy. Nice toasted bun. So I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.